What is the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 when x is equal to minus 1? Again, a very easy question. Let's do it. The given polynomial in x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. We can write it as px because it is invariable x. And it is given that the value of x is equal to minus 1, which means that we can replace x with minus 1 wherever it exists. So px, which is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 implies that p of minus 1 will be equal to 5. Instead of x we can write minus 1 minus 4. Again instead of x we can write minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 into minus 1. We get minus 5 minus 4 into minus 1 square we get 1, because minus into minus gives us plus, and 1 into 1 is 1, plus 3. This is equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. This is equal to minus 5 minus 4, same signs, add up, so we get minus 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3, which is equal to different signs means subtract, and the sign will be of the number with higher value, which is 9 here, so we get minus 9 minus 3 we get 6, which is our answer. So you see, this is simple. Now if you have noticed, we have done one extra step here, that is minus 1 square 1, then minus 4. We could have reached here directly. Yes, you can. The only precaution is that sometimes in a hurry students make these mistakes. Rather than making it 1, they do it as minus 1, and thus they get the answer wrong. So my advice, take baby steps, go slow, but get the answers correct. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.